Hey guys, so we're going to work on some trigonometry. So I have IXL pulled up here and I have Desmos calculator over here, which provides us with all the things we're going to need. So this topic, to start off with, I feel like is kind of easy because the calculator is going to do most of it. It's just a matter of knowing where the buttons are and being able to round to the nearest hundredth, two decimal places, which we've done all year in class. So for these, you're going to write your answers as integers or as decimals, and they're going to have words like tan, which is over here, tan, words like cosine, cos, and you guys usually say in class, if we were in class, you guys would call it sin, but it's called sine. Okay, so those words are what you're going to be looking for. You can also use your phones. If you turn your phones sideways, these words will appear on your phone as well. So you can use your cell phone if you don't want to use the Desmos, which I will post up on Google Classroom with this link. And then if you want to do like your split screen like I am, it makes it a little bit easier. So let's get started. So tan 13, that little circle we know means degrees. If you look up here, see how it says DEG? That means degrees. If you click it, it would go to radians, but we want to keep it in degrees because of the degree sign. So I'm going to click tan because it says tan and type in 13, and then I'm going to hit enter. On decimal, your answer appears over here. So we have 0.23. There's a 0 here, so the 3 stays. Okay, another tan 81. And I have 6.31. We don't have to round because of that 3, so the 1 stays. Then we have sine this time, so I have to click sine 73, hit enter, and I have 0.956, so 0.9, I'm going to have to round because that's 6, so the 5 is going to become a 6. Another sine, so sine 50, enter. Okay, remember you always want to be in degrees. Don't forget to make sure you're in degrees if you're using other calculators, just a reminder. And I have 0.7, and we see we have 6 and then a 6. This 6 is going to make that 6 become a 7 because we have to round up, so 0.77. Okay, another sine, 35, hit enter. I have 0.57. I don't have to round because of that 3 right there, hit enter. And a cosine. So you're going to click cosine this time, and then you're going to put 31 in, hit enter, and you have 0.8, and then you want to look, there's a 7, so that 5 is going to round up to a 6. Okay, and there's a bunch of examples on here. Obviously, you can see that it kind of mixes it up. It has sine, cosine, tangent. Definitely your goal wants to be in between a 90 and 100 on this, just because you see the calculator's doing a lot of the work. Don't get discouraged with the rounding. Okay, this is a really good time to practice your rounding if you're struggling. So just be careful. Rewatch this YouTube video as much as you need to realize the rounding. Remember, 5 or more, you go up 1. If it's 1 through 4, 1, 2, 3, or 4, you just stay at the number. Okay, so good luck. If you have any questions, whether it's rounding or finding the buttons, let me know and I can help you guys out. So you guys are going to work on level K, on trigonometry ratios using a calculator on IXL, and then you have this video that you can refer to at any time. All right, guys, good luck. If you have any questions.